Hello, my name is Maed Lamiri. I'm here with Yahya Al-Bahari. We are from Sharjah American International School, Sharjah campus, and today we'll be explaining on how to build a driver train on a VEX V5 kit. Now, I'll be listing the materials you'll be needing for this drive train. The things you'll be needing: 4 C channels, and 2 of them have to be smaller than the original. Cut one in half. You will be needing shafts about the size of your thumb, a small sprocket or big depending on what you want, a couple of bearing flats, colors, nuts, very important, and the smallest spacer that you can find in your kit. You will also be needing the brain and module, battery, the connector and remote controller, the wires to connect the brain to the motor, and your Allen keys. You will also be needing 2 different types of tires, friction tires. They also come in the color green, and you will also be needing the omnidirectional wheel. Now you have to get the long C channel, 3 bearing flats, about 6 nuts and 6 screws. What you want to do is place the first 2 next to each other on the end of the C channel, and then the last one, put it on one, skip one on the end and add your bearing flat. Once you're done, you should have now 2 C channels. I had already one pre-made. Now you can start building your driver train. So what you want to do is grab your friction wheel first, insert the shaft inserts. Now you have to put on one side a spacer, the sprocket. A sprocket can be any size, but I've chosen a small one for this demonstration, and finish it off with another spacer. You're gonna have to add a color on the end. Do the same for the omnidirectional wheel. Once you have 2 of them, what you're gonna do for the friction wheel, take it and put it on the side with 1 bearing flat, and then add the omnidirectional one over to the other side. Once you're done, add these 2. Once you're finished adding both C channels, your wheel should look something like this. Now you're gonna have to add it. I'm using short C channels for the connectors. You can use longer ones, but it will be out of dimension. Now I'm gonna cut to the finished product.